I am very interested about engineering. Before I finalized my secondary school, they are one of our family. They have a civil engineer background. After that, have a more interest with them. I saw how he's working. He's working with some of the companies. They retired as a CEO of biggest company in KSA as a CEO. When I start with them, see how to work, I tell you the truth, it's amazing for me to go with engineering better than any doctors or something like that. See, in Real Commission, the Real Commission is almost the biggest industrial city in the world. When I started with the Real Commission, I learned more and more about engineering, especially with I utilize the building building maintenance department that time. I study more about the field and more about the operation, how to operate, how to maintain, how to do the BM, everything before have any major break in their construction. They solve it before ahead of time to reduce even the cost of the maintenance. After that, I joined Hadid. Hadid, it is the iron company, belonging to Sabic that time. And when visit there, I work with them at work. When I start, they have immediate shutdown, major shutdown, what it's called BM or TAM. I spend around 8 months TAM. It is with the 6 plants. Every 15 days or more than 15 days, one plant do a shutdown. When in Hadid, they learn more and more, because Hadid, they have huge furnace that time and temperatures exceeding 1000 temperature. What all the concrete and corrosion, because the water, temperature, humidity is very high, and the iron, you will see all the concrete cracks there that time. Will find it in certain years, not long years, and short years, maybe 1 year, 3 years. What you'll do it, what you see it outside, also after 30 years, 15 years, all the cracks, we'll find it in Hadid because of the steel, and this one we'll find it within 1 year, 2 years, and they learn about more and more how to solve all this one issues, concrete protection, everything. Alhamdulillah, after I finalize all the time, or we finish all the time, I have TASNEE chance to join them in 2007. Still, I am fresh graduate that time. It is 1 year and a half when from Hadid and Real Commission. I joined TASNEE at that time, and there TASNEE had only 2 plants and work with a huge complex or petrochemical complex. They started under a project. I joined them, and they start immediately with all the projects. There are many plants. I deal, alhamdulillah, with them as a civil engineer. After completion in 2010, 2012, all complexes start up, alhamdulillah. They give us a chance to start accommodation, housing, and beach camp for our TASNEE. And at that time, it is under my supervision. They grabbed me as a project engineer, project support manager. I head all the third parties project outside TASNEE complex. I lead it, and alhamdulillah, when succeed and on target, I alhamdulillah finalized with the zero delayed and something of the project. No any, alhamdulillah, any safety no any safety concern, zero, alhamdulillah. All the we develop or deliverable for all the projects on time, alhamdulillah. We have another project in our technology building, and we have, alhamdulillah, there are 2 expansion, and that time they have graduate me as a mega project manager. And unfortunately, that time I lead all the petrochemical and commercial projects, under our organization. Alhamdulillah, we succeed very well. After that, all the project completion, we have, every company, they have sometimes no any project that time. They give me some suggestions why go to another area to check it and see your there. They told me you check with that time is GS, General Service. I told them okay, let's move. And at that time I do have the GS General Service TBC, the complex again. Alhamdulillah, in 2018 October, I transfer from project to the general service. All I have good successful story, and from that I start bigger and bigger. They give me that time. After that 1 year, alhamdulillah, they took as a Eastern Province and GCC General Service Manager. After that, alhamdulillah, after Corona situation, and we pass everything, and a good controller and managing, graduate me as a manager of all general service in KSA Kingdom and GCC. After that, alhamdulillah, we try with management to change from general service to facility management. What recently we changed, the same position, only they changed the department. Now we are facing difficulties with our colleagues and something. Still, they all name general service, don't know. Need to go to the FM, the facility management. Alhamdulillah, everything's in my organization perfect. All our KPI goals, it is more than our expectation. That way, what you have, we have a great team. Alhamdulillah, we know how to deliver our messages, mission and vision. Even our target, be ahead of target every time we plan with the target something. But after that, we do our managing how to exceeding that target and change the time, even to do everything in quality with focusing with sometime with the budget. We are not open check for all the time. We need to manage it, do it in time, even do the maintenance or anything. Before that, we reduce all the cost. We do our head plan of the any planning or any project we have in our department or any challenge. We do it ahead of the time, plan it very well, have clear message and the scope. After that, alhamdulillah, we succeed, and we right now, up to now, even the 2025, all our goals, it is a majority was close more than 60%, what we are in the middle of the year, and the appreciation received from all our colleagues, even from outside parties or any contractor work with us. We are with them as a teamwork. What I am right now with the great team, even everyone, he like our department, and they give us appreciation for all my colleagues. This one, amazing to have this message passed from everyone. We need to have good communication with the team, with the colleagues, with our customer stakeholders to get great appreciation from them. This one major for me and my team, and this one succeed for us because we have good communication with them. Our message is clear, no any misunderstand, because my message is clear. I need everyone know our message, everyone understand what we are doing. That's it. It is successful for me. This was very hard. Teamwork, communication with them, not only visit me, I visit their site. If you have something, la qaddar Allah, with their behavior or something, I sit with them face to face. Sometime without their line manager. Even I told nobody line manager. Nobody talked with me, told me I am, you are our manager. No, our boss, no. I told them I am leader with you. Come talk, my mobile is open. communicate with me. If you have any emergency, any cases with you, even with your family, I am supporting them. If you have any relation issue with their team or something, I came to them, I teach him how to solve it. Sometime offline, this one is very secret. Sometime I support him with how to write their email to their colleagues, or how to write email for his boss, what it is line manager, what is between me and them, to support them to understand their messages. And if they call me, they call me his line manager. I tell them, oh, really? He do like this? Do it great. He don't know I am with them in that time, and appreciate this. Give the team to talk, and especially if you have something, they came to you directly to guide them. Second thing, everybody happy to work with you. They told no any levels difference. We have learned about FM. I thought the FM facility management, it's an easy job. When I joined, I thought this is FM. It is not same engineering or calculation or something. When you discuss with anybody in the airport or anyone when you visit, I told this one, I saw this one. Told me this one, T-boy, janitor, no. It's wrong, man, we cannot work. I told him how. If you'll go to bathroom, is not clean, how to go inside. If you not sit in the office without cold water or tea, how to work. When you go to the kitchen, we'll do by yourself. We'll not find all these materials. It is in the truck. How to do it. If you'll go, your car is not washing, how you'll do it? You'll do it by yourself? We need some support. Oh, you'll do the clean for all the streets. We need to teach everyone about the facility management. Facility management, not only one section, one department. Facility management is different section, different departments within one umbrella. But in facility operation, maintenance, and even services administration, we are put all the service in one channel. Even if you have logistic company, how to do the logistic without you have a truck, you renew their license, you renew all this one is under facility. Nobody knows. He thought it's this one GR, this one no, it is facility lead it. The facility give the GR to renew it. The facility give to maintenance to do this one maintenance and proper. I know you have a contractor, we have big crew, but unfortunately when you are not there, the facility managing in the professional way, tell the truth, this department is more than hero department. I know this one maybe the people thought it is not as a chemistry or the financial or something like that, or no, it is more than this. We find it in the hotel, you find it in the restaurants, you have it to travel, everything will find facility. Even the aircraft, when you utilize it, they're a facility crew. They do all this one. Without that crew, you cannot enter to the airline. FM in TASNEE it is industrial and commercial. We have our HQ as a residential offices, and they have housing maintenance for our colleagues, even his family accommodation, and they have only industrial. Industrial, we are do the catering, traveling, business trip for them, transportation, even move him to medical checkup and return him back to the clinic, do everything, even the safety. We are doing with them as a safety. Sometimes we do our supporting if you have fire or something. We are doing shuttling buses. We are doing evacuation with them, supporting. Something happens, they need support. Even in the time in summer season, they have sometimes shut down the plant. Unplanned, what you need immediate response. Sometimes they need to call somebody from outside of kingdom. They sometimes call them from home. We need to send somebody to collect them to the shuttle. Everything this one supporting from FM, facility management, not their department, maintenance department, but it is purely for maintenance plants. But facility they have own all maintenance, and in addition the service. We are service provider, as I told you, meals, carriers, catering, events, outside events. We have our colleagues gathering. If we have any VIP visit or any visit, we are doing all the board to provide all the requirement to have this event to succeed, and as a TASNEE image and all the company's image. We are even our transportation, we are make sure all the transportation is in safe mode, because we have shuttle bus from out of Jubail to Mam, and even his take our important people with the operator people and maintenance. We make sure to come to the safe to the plant and even back to his home in the safe. We utilize the special buses. We do all this evaluation with the drivers to make sure the drivers are rested and don't have any medical issues with the drivers, bus drivers special, to make sure to save our colleagues from to home and back to his family. FM, there are big communication with because all the people is busy, and FM cannot meet each other due to they busy with the supporting others. يعني example, I have some event for FM, I cannot attend because I have another event for another department, which it's important my attendance there. There have VIP guests, and I missed that event due to event for attending with see another colleague, see another contractor, vendor, each lesson learn, sharing the information, because I have some major event or have major activities we need to support. That's what bleeding from our side to support the others and enhanced ourselves. The issues itself, there and the facility, there no engineer, all of them technician. What you need to do, inject more engineer in that field. Some people have low skills or low performance, they put them that department. What it is, the skills, this department. Because I told you from beginning, there are FM, he thought it is easy job, anybody can do it. No, it's not anybody can do it professionally. We need somebody expert in that way. Engineers, you have big chance of this, all engineers, even mechanical engineer, electrical, civil, any type of engineers, we need it in the FM, because we are dealing with many things. We are language. You must have different language, not only one language, because we are front desk of all the team. We have some guests from outside, they need to visit. We need to talk English or any language we have, not only one language. We need to understand with them. We need to support them. Sometimes you are working the airport, somebody will ask you, but if you have only one language, how to talk with them, how to understand their aim or what he need exactly. Where sometimes coming, so please, where is this gate, or ask you some question about his flight. If you are don't have any language to teach him how to catch his flight, we have, alhamdulillah, some digitalization. We are utilizing some FM ticketing. Now, alhamdulillah, we launched 2 years back. They can order by FM. We are now working with some travel agent to have their system connect with our system. This one, even they do automation. We have RBA, robotic system. We have this one, so we do some service entries of invoices, everything, take invoices to have you need to pay bills for mobile something, and the time and track time to avoid any disconnects for the lines. All this one we are utilizing. Even the irrigation system, our company, we don't have any plants, but we are working with RC, or we have RTU, what it is, automation system for irrigation for all Jubail. It is automation. Nobody person only have give you the reports about if you have any leak or something like that. They guide you to go direct to repair it. But this one will be to start for planting on time, closing everything's, monitoring your irrigation system. All this one is make our this one will get our facility management activities and services and professional and of high quality. I know sometimes we need to spend money, but we'll get benefit of that to reduce even preventive maintenance, reduce maintenance, reduce even SPL costs, reduce manpower. Sometimes you need to reduce manpower in certain area. When you utilize this digitalization, this one, and if you have a dashboard, they give you all your records, your tickets, where we are, what it is closing it during SLA, not the closing, all this one automation. This one help us, and before it's paperwork, team, we need to focus, see how many numbers they receive, how many close. No, now we have dashboard. This give us all the numbers, where we have issues, we need to focus, solve that issues in that area. Compliance, if you have any compliance, if you have any quality issue, they need to focus. This all automation and digitalization, this one help us more and more to make sure our facility management service on right track. My team, when they have great team, implement it very well, teach them and very well, to be as a good leader. This one for me, it is my message, and this one, it is one of my fingerprint for them. It is alhamdulillah, I have successful team, supporting, understanding, have good knowledge, and he can work anywhere at any time and under any pressure without any low motivation or something. Alhamdulillah, everyone can work hardly, work with smile and happy. I need to looking for my team to understand what my team, introduce them and introduce myself. This one first thing, so to hear about the team, to check with them what they have capability for that. After that, to evaluate how to deal, how to manage it. Teamwork is mandatory. Communications, meet and visit the stakeholder, to have great communication and relationship with them. Good relation with them, and you are happy with them, smiling every time, and talk with them closely. This one, keep your relation with them and understand your message is very quick. Nobody will be blame you if you are doing something unfortunately wrong or something. They thought you are doing some right track, but sometimes you need somebody understand what you are doing. And keep اللي هو التيم, everybody knows your message before do anything. It's very difficult. If you are a good leader, we can manage. I have one before, it is very low performance. But when I work closely with them, I find he's not in that area. His field, not this section. I change his section immediately to another section what it is. He's exceeding our expectation for that service. I know not every time you are working they need to change his position or change his job. We need to work with it. But some people, he cannot change them. We need to change what he love it to work. When I find him that track, he will be move and he will be fly. When I change him, before I change, they do a lot of challenge with his line manager and our GM, everybody, about to change from this position to this position. I told him, tell the truth, when he will be this position, will be fly. And I am big challenge for that and zero risk. When he changed, alhamdulillah, he on time, perfect, quality, everything. Sometimes the people not open their mind for you to understand what they need, what he exactly. This one had what we can. I do not have any chance for them to support. No, I'll go to petrochemical plant. Great. Heated. Grated. Grated. They prevent maintenance. A cloud dashboard. Construction site visit. لا المونيتورينج independent outside sometimes reducing the cost outside services. Morning walkthroughs. Hard hit. HVAC, yeah, HVAC. Plan it perfectly. All expertise will be experts. Weekly team meetings better. Long-term planning. Leadership by example. To understand his team capability first, meet everyone and the stakeholders and to understand their aim and to understand their situation and their understand what they need exactly. After that, go back and replan your all activities and how to measure. Check your organization, check your budget, check your capability team, and make it a great plan to how to deal with all these years and your plan, how to plan to managing all your activity with the right direction. When you can start without any meat, without any history, tell it the truth, it will be disaster for all the organization, and you cannot manage it. You maybe will manage in first year, but second years, every year will be collapse for you, and you cannot wrap up and or rebuild again with the trusted people, because the people nobody will trust you, because when first time you insert to them, you not give him a chance to share with you their feedback or their experience and their history or what it is listener from them to how to you come with your mind. And this one, it is unfortunate, it is not right leader, it is your manager that time, you are not leader. Well, unfortunately, it is in KSA right now. What it is our Prince Mohammed bin Salman about his mission and vision. It is facility management will be very change in the all KSA, and this message we can or this organization or department will be inshallah, and everyone he will be lucky to join and happy to see this facility management group or team and the work what they're doing the professional, and they will be tell the truth, they will be appreciate all one work with the facility management after mission 2030 and even another mission. This one will be vision this one 2030. This one will be change everyone behavior, understanding, knowledge, especially for LFM. because if we are interesting everything right now, we are injecting in the KSA, whole KSA, about tourism, about business, everyone, and they need support from facility management, and facility management will be bigger and bigger and bigger. Tell you the truth, with coming years, inshallah, we'll find maybe big companies or big group companies only for facility management, and the more street they take a hell air, a hell land to be this one, the facility management group or facility management service. What it is now, we saw it in small office or small corners. We'll saw it in the front of the desk from everyone.